Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. We got a great episode today. We're going down to my favorite bar in Missoula, Montana. First up, we're going to do a shout out. Shout out goes to Broadway Barfly. Go check them out. If you like theater and classic cocktails, this is the channel for you. So go over and tell Rob Chappie sent ya. Before we go up to Missoula, I'm going to make a cocktail in Rob's honor. This is dedicated to Broadway Barfly. This is my own concoction. I call it a Jersey Boy Barfly, dedicated to Rob. Alright, so this is, so I got some vodka that's infused with melon. I did this on either possibly a previous episode or maybe in the future, depending when I release it. But I took some honeydew and I infused it in vodka for 3 days. So this is honeydew infused vodka. We're gonna go 2 shots of that. So, and again, this is called a Jersey Boy Barfly. And the reason I'm calling it that, this is kind of a stretch, but it's called 4 Seasons Nectar from the Philippines. It's very tropical. It has pineapple, mango, watermelon, and orange. So get it 4 Seasons. That's the musical from the Jersey Boys. And I decided it'd be crazy to talk about some kind of Broadway musical and cocktails without mentioning Rob over at Broadway Barflies. So we're going to go a full can of 4 Seasons Nectar. You could substitute mango, pineapple, orange, and watermelon. So we're going to go a splash of passion fruit syrup. And then we're going to do a splash of orgeat. And then we're going to finish it off with some Hawaiian Sun Luau Punch. And we have a nice pineapple and a disheveled umbrella as a garnish. So go check out Rob over at Broadway Barfly. We're heading down to Missoula next. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. This is Mookie and I'm Chappie, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar.